Good morning, we are in La Siesta. To give you an idea where I am, in La Siesta, just there is one of the parks that is in the area. Very close to the health centre, it's on the bus route. The aqua park is just on the next street across, as is the health centre. The health centre's just over here as well. You can see how quiet this street is. You could probably hear the parakeets. What we've got here is a 2-bed, 2-bath, semi-detached villa. The plot size is around 400 square metres, semi-detached, but it's only joined more or less by the garage and the bathroom at the rear. South facing, private pool, nice little Oasis. Outdoor kitchen. Told us over the raised terrace if you need a little bit of shade. We have ramps, or a ramp up to the property. Well-maintained garden. Fruit trees, aromatic plants, I do believe that's jasmine, birds of paradise, palms and yuccas, among others. Storage room at the back. And there's a raised rear terrace, also with a toldo that's retractable. Let's go and take a look inside. As well as the off-road parking, there's also a garage, decent size. Let's go take a look inside the house. Glazed in terrace, nice area to sit, relax, have your food if you want, if it's not suitable to be outside. Go to the main house. Dog is not included, bless him. This property is ideal as either a holiday home or permanent living. Air conditioned throughout. There is a working log burner there in the corner. Double glazed security door on the front, open plan kitchen. Recently renovated by the looks of things. Good quality wall mounted and floor standing cupboards. And it's like the Silestone worktops. And there's the terrace out to the back. The windows have mosquito blinds and Persianas fitted as well. So the first bedroom has plenty of wardrobe and the property is coming part furnished. Details for the price, the location and everything is in the description. First family bathroom, walk-in shower. Also looks like it's been recently renovated. Bedroom number 2, again air conditioned. Ceiling fans fitted throughout as well, so you don't always need the air conditioning. Bathroom number 2. Good finish again. And then from there, you have a walk-in closet area. Don't forget guys, if you want your own little slice of paradise here in the sun in sunny Spain, we are 4 kilometres give or take from Torrevieja town centre. It's on a regular bus route, so you don't necessarily need a car if you don't want one, but you've got somewhere to park it on the street, on the drive or in the garage if you so wish. As mentioned in the description is the location, the price and all the details and a whole load of photos. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks a lot.